Okay, so here are a few air conditioners at our condo in Orange Beach. We got a ductless one. It's a 10-seater. It's a heat controller. I've never heard of that. It looks kind of old. It might just be rusty because of we're right by the ocean, though. I don't know. Okay, here's the data. I'll take a picture of that. Here's a Rheem with a Copeland scroll. Okay, it's a 2013 2.5 ton. There's a Carrier. Oh, this one's rusty because of the ocean. 2012. 1.5 ton, I think. Here's another Rheem right here. I like these a lot, by the way. This is, I know I said that ICP style was my favorite. This is my second favorite. This is a 2015 2.5 ton. And then I think that's all of them. Yep, that's all of them. Alright. Okay, here's some more air conditioners at our condo place in Orange Beach. We got another one of these Rheems that I like. Right here. Here's a Goodman. This is a 2015 3-ton. Jesus. Glass or something like that. This is a 2-ton from 2012. And then neither of these are running. There's another Goodman. There's a glass right here. Good grief. This Goodman just shut off. You can see the compressor here. I'll wait until the blade stops spinning. One of those to shut off. Here's a Rheem with a Copeland scroll. Oh, it's a Ruud. 2012. 2-ton. Alright. Got a Copeland compressor. And then this is good. Now let's go and get the data on it, I guess. Got 2-ton. 2010. Alright. And then this Rheem shut off right here. It's got a Emerson compressor. Alright, over and out.